Alright, so for the demo, as you can see, any medical practitioner or a student would have their buttons configured. Now, as you can see, all they have to do is just touch one button and they can get a 3D model printed on the paper itself. Here we can see a human brain. We just turn the button again and it goes away. We can see here a human heart would now pop up. And if we look closely, we can look at all the intricate details of the heart. On the right side, we see the human muscle. The entire skeleton shows up there with all muscles. Now, different buttons, they show up different 3D models of the images, and it's just a matter of their choice. You can select multiple at a time and look at all in very detailed manner in a 3D view here. Well, as you can see, this completely reduces or eliminates the need for having a physical model present for any student or any doctor. As you can see here, this is a human body that we have. It's just a diagram. But what this application and our product does is it gives you a 3D representation of each and every anatomy model. Right here we can see that it's just a matter of your selection. You touch the human heart, and here we have a rotating model. You don't even have to move. All you can do is just look at the specific details, all the muscle areas, and all the details are available at the palm of your hands. The future scope of this product actually expands into multiple domains. The possibilities are endless. For example, as we were looking at a 3D model of a heart, imagine this being integrated with the ECG, and we could see this 3D model with proper palpitations. So the graphs that we see in ECG, we can actually visualize them in an AR mode in future. As you can see here, we just touch a human brain and all the details come in here. For a neurosurgeon, you can imagine the relief that they can have in future. All they have to do is just look at a 3D model of their patient, figure out what's wrong in what area, and then come up with a solution. All you have to do is just look at the body, and here you go. No more need for students to buy and spend a lot of dollars procuring these costly physical models. All they have to do is just have a paper handy with themselves, have their mobile phone available, and they can look at these models anytime and anywhere. They can read through the stuff, they can study, analyze these complex anatomies, and, well, have everything available in the palm of their hands. So yes, this concludes our product, and we hope that you like it. The possibilities in future for this product are endless. It's just a matter of implementing them. Thank you.